Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Remove the screws using a T15 Torx driver. Remove the back panel of the footwell. Pull the rug back slightly to gain access to the filter housing. Pull the middle panel forward and then pull the carpet back to have access to the filter. Remove the styrofoam block from the corner of the footwell. To remove the filter housing door, unclip the side and pull the door to the right. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1254C filters into the housing. You may need to install one and then push it all the way down to be able to install the other. The airflow indicating arrow should be pointing towards the back of the vehicle. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reclip the housing door. Replace the styrofoam wedge with the ramp facing towards the back of the vehicle. Replace the rug to its original position. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reinstall the back panel. Reinstall the screws. Replace the rug to its original position. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.